In this video, I will show you how to sort data in Microsoft Word. So firstly type your data. Now here guys, sort your data, select your data, and here you will see this A to Z sort icon, select it. Now here you can sort by headings, word 1, word 2. Also you can select from here text, numbers or dates. So we want to sort as a text, and here select order, ascending or descending. If your data has the header, so select it, and not so select no header row. Then click on OK. So now you can save your data. Easy way I will show you, like you type here randomly. So data, I will show you size so we can see the properly. Now you want to sort, so select it. Here click on this sort, click on OK. That's it. So this way we can sort data, we can arrange data in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.